So it's just a little bit of UI tweaking, but it's the kind of thing that if we do decide to do it, it probably gets done in a few places. And I don't think it's necessarily quite right yet, but the problem is that on some of our pages, there's a lot of scrolling to find the save buttons and the actions buttons. So we've talked a few times, I think, about moving the actions button on the content page to a different location, and Hisham's done it on the template screen. So historically, you're editing a template, you've got to scroll all the way down to the bottom to find your save button when you're kind of working up here. And what he's done is just move the buttons, which are historically down the bottom here, up to the top here, and applied a sticky to keep them there. So I kind of like it. I don't think the bar works. I don't think the bar needs a color. That just seems irrelevant.
That, and also the fact that because there is a color, it takes some space on the left of the buttons. If it was transparent or sized to the list of the buttons, I could still see the line 24, 23, 22.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd size it, if I'd make it transparent. Okay. Well, but I'm kind of thinking of I think we're probably inspired by the DevOps style of design, where they have started to have more of these kind of screen real estate just taken up with kind of navigation breadcrumb type.
I'm opening on my side just to see what you
mean. Arrangements. In an ideal world, it would be text here and breadcrumb, not title here, breadcrumb here, and this section would be the bar that everything hovers on. Yeah. So you would always know where you were and always have your controls. In my opinion,
So what I see here is almost what is on Azure DevOps. The title is hidden when you scroll down by the buttons bar. And the difference on DevOps is that you also have stuff on the left of the bar. So it's not empty.
Yeah, so it's not empty.
Like filters and everything.
Yeah, and we've done some of these already for, I think, what were the screens they got done on? Was it the features? Yeah, so we kept the bulk
something like that. Yeah,
on the features.
No, that's consistent. You could have more things there, definitely. It's just that this screen doesn't have anything to show.
Exactly. And personally, I think if we like an arrangement like this, I think we need to lose the bar color, though. That's just not working for me. But the same problem kind of happens with flow widgets. As soon as you've got 2 or 3 on a page, and most of the time you've probably got 10, you just have no buttons anymore as soon as you come into it. And I'm on a Mac with a big screen.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be a bar with a border. It can just be full width and then just horizontal separation.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just a horizontal rule separation, just to show that's the different section that you can scroll, but yeah, it can be blended with the edit template title. It doesn't have to be a div container here. Divisible div. Okay, yeah, that's almost there. That's good.
Cool. Yeah, so that's almost there.